I am in love with this green color. And I said I was not going to buy anything for fall really, but I might have to cave on this green. See what this one smells like. Ooh, that smells good. It smells fresh. That one smells more like mint, and this one smells like I can't describe that one. It's a bit more masculine, but they're all really pretty jars. $3. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. How gorgeous is this wreath? It says Hello Autumn. How much is it? It is $25, but it's beautiful. And then they have the matching one too in a larger size. Fall is in full effect here in Michael's. These are so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. How pretty are these? I've got to get these. $14.99. Even these are pretty. Ah, they're stuck. Here you go. Super pretty. I have some pretty traditional decor too, but I am not into all of the oranges. Oh, this is really nice. Grateful and blessed. It is 70 bucks. And then they have the new mint green color that I've been seeing a lot. I do like that green. That green is really pretty. Oh, I like this sign. Ooh, I love this. Happy pumpkin spice season. This is pretty. Ooh, it's heavy too. It's really heavy. How much is it? $24.99. But everything is buy one get one free of equal or lesser value. Then they have the fall sign. Hello fall. This is really nice. Anything ivory or whitewash, I love it. Have some really nice signs here at Michael's, and they don't cost that much either. Alright guys, so the first thing I purchased came from Michael's, and it's this beautiful farmhouse rustic gourd. I love this. I love the texturing on it, and I think it's going to go really perfect in the area that I plan on putting it in. So this is it. I also picked up from Michael's this cute little sign right here, and it just says Simply Blessed, and it has like the little straw at the top of it. I think this will go really perfect in a vignette. So I also picked up these stems. I picked up these, they're kind of beigey green, and then I also picked up these blush peachy ones, and I think together they're like so beautiful. I love these. So I already know exactly where these are gonna go, but they are so pretty to me. I am in love with this color. And then as far as a few other florals, I picked up these. Are these not gorgeous or what? Do you guys see that beautiful blush and ivory? Just really like a nice modern farmhouse look. So I picked up 2 of those stems. So I have 2 of these just because the centerpiece that I'm putting them in, I want them to be really thick and full. So those are absolutely beautiful. These have got to be my favorite flowers that I have seen this year for fall. So I had to go ahead on and grab them before they were all gone. Alright guys, so I picked up this sign right here. It is this Happy Pumpkin Spice Season. I fell in love with this, as you guys saw when I saw it, and I knew I had to have it. Something about this glass, and then like this whole area right here, which is just ivory and it's kind of weathered on the edges, was really, really nice. So I am in love with this sign. And at Michael's, I found, not Michael's, in Marshall's, I picked up this little Autumn Blessings candle. And I just love all the candles that have this wood top here. So I'm really attracted to these for whatever reason. But it also smells good. It has a really nice pumpkin scent for fall. Right now, I just plan on using it for decoration because it is so cute. You know, some candles to me are just like too cute to burn. So this is one of them. Unless I go get another one to burn and then this one just for decoration. But I thought it'd be gorgeous. And, ooh, here it is. It smells amazing. But yeah, that's the part that I love on it. So this is all the items that I have purchased so far for fall. I don't think I'm going to do a whole lot of fall shopping because, as you all know, last year I purchased a lot of pumpkins. So the only pumpkins I am looking for this season are some blush pink ones to go in the family room and maybe in the foyer. But for the most part, this is it, and I love these colors. Like, I'm so happy with Michaels for coming out with this color scheme. It was like, grab me, I just had to have it. So yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this mini shop with me, plus this haul, and of course, you know, I will show you how I'm using them in my fall tour. So I will see you all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye daisies.